Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I have something a little bit different. Normally I focus on just makeup and beauty products, but today I thought I would show you how I curl my hair using only my straighteners. So if you'd like to see how I do that, then please keep on watching. So I have like the most unruly, ugly, awful hair known to man. When it's wet it looks absolutely lovely like this, but when it dries it turns into a frizz ball. So either I straighten it every 2 or 3 days, or if I curl it I can get away with not having to do anything with it for the best part of 3 or 4 days maybe. So I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using straightening tongs, my straightener. So to start off with, I have to dry this bad boy, and I use a GHD hair dryer. So I mean, I warn you now, when I come back after it's dried it's gonna look very, very different. I section it off and I get a brush and we just brush it through. I have put some serum in this, so we do protect the hair. I'll see you in just a moment. Now you want to make sure your hair is bone dry before you get your straightener onto it, because you'll just risk burning your hair and that's never a good look. Now you do just want to make sure you brush it through. Can you see what I mean when I say it's so frizzy? And then what I like to do is section off my hair. So I start from the bottom bits, so I put it up into more than half, so I really just go right under, and you just want a few bits. You're going to need 2 ponytails for this. And then you want to just brush it out. Right, and then what you want to do, you want to just take a small piece, that bit there, and then taking your straightener. So I like to smooth the top bit, and then, so you just want to, in one fluid motion, all the way down, kind of curling as you get to the bottom. And then I just twist it with my hands and then do it again. So you get a small piece in like that, let it go, and then twist it as you bring it down. In, let go, curl, and keep twisting the straightener as you come down. Do use a heat protecting serum before you put your straightener to your hair, please. So make sure that straightener is being curled. You're twirling it as you come down. That's a nice one. Okay, so you should have something that looks like just a big curl. So you get your second ponytail or your hairband, and I tie the bit up that I've already done and then I will take down some more hair. So this is the hair before. So then just get the brush, and you don't want to pick up too much because you don't want like your hair just to go into one big curl. So do it in stages. Again, just part it in the middle, give it a good brush. Have like your fringe bit left. Well, this is a look. Make sure I do straighten out these bits here because there's nothing worse than having that crimpy feel look, unless it's in my head, but I just like everything to be either straight and then curly rather than having like the, you know what I mean. And then I straighten the top part, just smooth it down, and then we just do the same. Front quite a bit more, so it, that's a beautiful one. Right, so you want to really smooth down that bit and just curl the bottom bit here, so it's smooth, and then you curl here. And then back to this side. So when you are done, you should have something that looks like this, and then we will just pop this bit up, and the end is nigh. Right, so I do have a fringe somewhere here, so let's just let it fall. You want to just pick out where your parting sits. Right, at this point, I'd just like to take my fringe out, which is that there, do this bit. and then we take it all out. That's a nice one.
You should have something
Looks like this. Now, to stop it all setting into one big curl, I do brush mine out. And this is what you should have at the end of it. Beautiful bouncy curls, and give it a few days and it'll look even better. Right, so this is what you should end up with. You don't have to brush it out. I like to brush mine out. It just gives me a lot more volume. It doesn't have the same frizziness to it if I didn't do this, and it just looks so pretty. Now you can go in and just put in some serum, just so that if you've got any flyaway bits, they sit down. I don't, it just makes my hair really greasy. So this is it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a like, and also drop me a comment down below on the best way that you know how to curl your hair. And I will definitely see you in my next video. Mwah! See you soon.